How's it been this morning?
It's all right. Yeah, yeah.
What are your reflections so far?
It's sad. It's just sad to see people, dignified people, honorable people, who've gone through so much. To see these people suffering so severely, so harshly, it's really, really making me sad. It's really, really making, I think, everyone sad who just sees people just waiting for hours and hours just to get food parcels, which is something for us in the UK or in Europe or in the Western world is something absolutely normal. We go shopping, etc. But those people, they can't afford it. That's why they're waiting here, and they have gone through checks as well, where these checks, they have to meet certain criteria, and then, proper household checks. And now they have been one of them approved people to get these parcels. So may Allah reward you, brothers and sisters. You're doing an amazing job, mashallah, tabarakallah. Please continue your support. These people are really suffering and they need your support. Please continue to donate. Jazakallah khair. It is Ramadan. It's the last 10 days of Ramadan. We're here in Jalalabad, in Afghanistan, and fulfilling our promise, your donation, to give your donation to those who are really suffering and really in need. So please make the most of the last 10 days of Ramadan. Continue your support. We need your help. Please continue. These people are honorable, brave people, hardworking people. If there is a job, they wouldn't mind taking it on. They would do it. Please continue your support. Jazakumullah khair. Barakallahu feek. May Allah reward you abundantly. These people are really in need of your support. Thank you very much. Jazakallah khair. Assalamu alaikum.